flow for leads generation. Here we will use LinkedIn, and then we use Hunter.io, and then we save results to the Google Sheets. And this is a 5-step instruction, which you can clone, or you can modify it and use any other tools you like. For example, you can change Sheets with your favorite CRM system, or change LinkedIn with Reddit. Let's see how does it work. So I will press save and test. And what is happening now, AI is trying to find leads on LinkedIn. Firstly, it knows about the topic that I'm looking for leads for AI call center. Then it looked up for relevant posts and it found it. So the step number 1 is simple. Then we have post authors. So we find best articles, what people wrote about AI call centers, and then we identify these authors and we find the right information about them. And then we get also company details, where do they work, because I think it's also important to filter out maybe irrelevant people. And then in the number 4 step, we discover email through Hunter.io, which helps us to find the email if it was somewhere on the web already. And then in the and we save this result by appending that result to the Google Sheet. It sounds like a complicated stuff, but trust me, if you use Create Flow, you can create that in seconds. It's also using AI. You can tap on any example you like, and then you can create flow like this, bam, and you get it. And we see that now all of our flow is done, and let's open Google Sheets. Okay, great. So we have our first lead, which we can use. We found in his email, we found his data, and then we can scale that, right? As we see, that's a real person. He wrote recently about call centers, and he left his email on LinkedIn, and then Hunter.io understands that, and then Hunter.io parsed that information, and we may see that it's a relevant lead for us. And I think it's not really possible to do before AI, but now with AI, it's so easy to make. So you need just to go to VeyraX.com and try this workflow.